Hello guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel. Let us create an amazing dynamic data visualization in Microsoft Office like this. Select your data, navigate to Insert tab. From Charts, choose your chart, delete title and grid line. From here, choose Primary Image Horizontal. Right-click on your chart. From Format Data Series, you can increase or decrease width, solid fill. From border no line, I would choose this. From here, glow navigation is choose this one, reduce this one, and reduce transparency. Back to add chart element, data labels, put your data in the center. Okay. From Format tab, change the shape into cylinder. You can choose your favorite color. I would choose this one. Back to home. Now we are done. If you feel this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.